हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ योर ओन डॉक्टर हेमा एमडी इन होम्योपैथी। आज मैं आपको बहुत सारे जो कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं मेनोपॉज से रिलेटेड इसके बारे में बताऊंगी। इफ़ यू हैव ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस, प्लीज़ सी द वीडियो टिल द एंड। व्हाट इज़ मेनोपॉज? What age is menopause? What exactly happens in menopause? What is perimenopause? How do I know if the menopause has started? How do you confirm menopause? What are the risk factors related to menopause? Do I really need treatment for menopause? And what will happen if the menopause has ended? सो ये जो है वो थोड़े फ्यू क्वेश्चंस है जो कॉमनली आस्क्ड है। सो इसको वन बाय वन हम आंसर करेंगे। सो व्हाट इज़ मेनोपॉज? मेनोपॉज इज़ द एंड ऑफ द वुमेन्स मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल एंड फर्टिलिटी एंड द पोस्ट menstrual stage. What age it starts? 45 to 55 is the age. 51 is the exact age where the menopause is right. If it is before 40, it is called premenopause, and if it is after 55, it is called late menopause. Now, how do I know if I have menopause? So let's understand the symptoms related to it. So there is vaginal dryness, there is vulvovaginal itching, hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, leg weakness, muscle weakness, hair thinning, hair falling. Then there is a lot of depression, cognitive changes that you forget names, locations, directions, and various symptoms which leads to change of your normal menstrual cycle pattern, like the irregular menstrual cycle. How do you confirm that you have menopause? So if you want to confirm, the FSH levels in the urine can be checked by menopause testing kit, and in that the levels are more than 25 to 134.8, which will confirm that you have menopause. Now, what do you do? What is perimenopause? Perimenopause is the stage where the ovaries produce less hormones and the flow decreases, and you have brown color fluid coming towards the end of the cycle. If there are irregular periods where your cycle changes, it is not monthly, it comes after 3 months, 4 months, then it is perimenopause. Now, what do you do? Like hot flashes is the common symptom that patients come, that you feel very hot on the upper side of the body, that is on the face, and you are drenched in sweat while you wake up from the sleep. So this is the common thing, and you feel very irritable and angry, and there are a lot of mood swings. You don't want to do your routine activities. So these are the symptoms of menopause. So do you really need treatment for menopause? Menopause is a very natural process which comes to every woman age group between 45 to 55. Menopause itself is very stressful, but if you're able to take care of yourself by eating proper diet, avoiding processed food, avoid sugar, excessive salt, and you do regular exercise, yoga, and you feel better with your moods, then it requires no treatment and it will go smooth. You can increase the intake of calcium and vitamin D, increase a lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Your health will be good and the symptoms will be much in a milder form. Menopause itself is very, very stressful. So if you're not able to focus, you're not able to do your routine activities, you are into absolute depression and crying, you need a talk therapy to take care of this crying and anxiety. And you can take various homeopathic medicines which act very nicely in menopause. If you have any other questions related to menopause, you can WhatsApp me, and for any queries, you can email me. If you really like my channel, you can like and subscribe. Thank you so much, friends.